what's trending, and we're going to show you some really cool plates that will help you recreate those very popular summer trends that we're seeing everywhere. So the first plate we're going to look at is M329. Lots of super cool stuff. We have the droopy smiley faces, and I love how all I had to do was paint on a yellow base and then stamp this over, and that was it. So easy nail art that's very impactful. This heart pattern, super cute and so simple. We've been seeing so many flowers during the summer, lots of like 90s style flowers, and even a lot of like checkered patterns. Of course, swirl designs are still very popular and very in. So these two plates will pretty much give you everything you need for this summer, and there's so many possibilities for this plate.